everybody, it's Amanda from the thehydesdodisney. We've got an interesting setup going on right now, but we're going to make some Jack Jack cookie num nums today. So today, as I said, we are going to make some Jack Jack cookie num nums from Hollywood Studios and also from Disney's California Adventure over by the Incredicoaster. We've only had them from Hollywood Studios, but they are so good, and they did not have them when we were there in July. I was super sad, so this is just going to hopefully make up for it. So let's get cooking. So to start, we are going to make our brown butter, and to do that, we are going to put 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter into a saucepan. And you are going to just turn it on and let it cook until it gets brown, aka the brown butter. And then you're going to let it cool until it starts to solidify. Once the butter has begun to solidify, we are going to add this and the sugars and salt into the mixing bowl. So in goes your 1/4 cup of white, 1 1/4 brown, ooh. Oops. And your salt. Mix until light and fluffy. Now that we are light and fluffy, we are going to add in our eggs and our vanilla. And mix it again. And now I just take your spatula again and just kind of wipe the sides of the bowl, bottom of the bowl. Just make sure everything is well and combined, because you can see it's not. Because we don't have one of those fancy schmancy ones that's got the scraper on the side. And we'll just mix it up again for a couple seconds. Now in a separate bowl, you are going to mix together your flour and baking soda. Then you're going to cream this together with your wet mixture. It doesn't say to do it in separate parts, but I'm going to probably do like 1/3 to half. And again, just take your spatula and make sure that it really got combined in there from the bottoms and the sides. And give it one more little mixy do. Next, you're going to take your chocolate chips, mix them in. So now we are going to take our handy dandy scoop, and we are going to add 2 scoops. 1 scoop into each of these. It says to do 3, but if you've got a big giant one like this, you're probably going to only want to do about 1. Next, you are just going to flatten them out so that they fill up the tray. Now your last step is you're going to add some chocolate to the top of these and just kind of push them in. We decided that we were going to cut up our own chocolate and give it that extra little square texture that they have at parks. Now you're just going to put them in your oven for 21 to 23 minutes or until they're baked all the way and the tops are golden brown. All right.
Here we go.
Num num time.
Num num time.
There it is.
Look at that. Num nums.
Do we do a
What?
break? Like a...
Yeah, let's pull it apart. Come on, pull it apart. She's gonna pull it apart, guys. We're gonna see how it goes. Ooh, lift that cookie up. Oh.
Okay, it doesn't feel as crunchy as...
Yeah, but it's out of the oven, so it's... I'll break that open. Can you zoom in there? There you go. Psych.
Psych, I go.
I like that well.
It does not taste like a Jack Jack cookie num num num. It's not crunchy enough.
Well, they make those cookie num nums. They send them out to the facility, to that little kiosk there, and they reheat them. So, of course it's not gonna taste like a cookie num num, like the way you get it in the park, because it's not dried out. These are fresh. This is what, if you were sitting in the other, if you were eating them fresh out of the oven, this is exactly what they would taste like. That's good though.
Oh, it's delicious, don't get me wrong.
You gotta wash it down with some milk though. She's dunking. How are they dunked? Yeah, those are definitely another winner. Mm-hmm. Winner cookie dinner.
Winner.
Jack Jack cookie num num dinner. That's how good they are. I got about a quarter and she got 3/4.
Again, 1/4 portion.
1/4 portion.
You said you only wanted to split one. That's your,
that
that's
wasn't
your
a
own
split.
fault. That's your own fault. You didn't say it had to be an equal split.
Yeah. But that was good though. I like that.
Yeah, that was really good. So as always, I will make sure that I link that recipe down below so that you guys can try it out for yourself.
Yeah, we'll link these as well. These are we purchased these off of Amazon. They're designed for like tart pans, but they're disposable. So these are kind of what Disney uses. They use a different version, but exactly the same.
Yeah, we do also have a little, like, we have a couple of metal tart tins that we probably could have used, but we only have 2 of them, so it would have taken us forever to make them because they're also smaller than that. But maybe that just means that we need to make some sort of tart.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd have any complaint from you to make like a key lime tart or something like that.
Yeah, we can try that sometime.
So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you are subscribing to the channel. Big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see us cook next, because as I said last week, we are starting to run out of ideas that we have. We obviously have that cookbook that we've used over the past few weeks that has a ton of recipes, but we want to know what you guys want to see us make. Yeah. It doesn't have to be Disney.
Yeah, it can be something in the other theme park, something that maybe you've seen online that you're contemplating making but are uncomfortable or don't think you have the right abilities to do so. Let's make it.
Or it could just be something random. Like, we've been making pickles, we've been making bread. Maybe we could do like a what we've learned how to make in quarantine video, and do as we look at pickles.
I'm gonna look at the pickles.
Do
I have more pickles, guys.
And maybe we could do like a short version of each of the foods that we've been making in quarantine. Cause we've made a lot of different things, including all this Disney stuff.
Yeah, so this is kind of the Disney's kind of, those other stuff in addition to the Disney stuff. So yeah, let us know what you guys think. Let us know what you guys want to see. Let us know if you have any ideas or things you want to try, but you're not comfortable and you want to see an easier way to do it, let us know.
Yeah, so with that, we will see you on Mondays for regular Disney videos and Thursday for cooking videos.
Peace.
Bye.